Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Espresso C60 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a lot of work. In order to do a tune-up on this machine, you basically have to disassemble the entire machine. This panel needs to go out, this panel needs to go out, this panel needs to go out, and then you can finally remove these two screws that are located right here, so you can deattach the brew unit in this side. You can remove it and service it. We service it, we replace all the O-rings of it, we replace all the gaskets as well, deep clean the shower screen, we lubricate everything and make sure there's no any broken parts or anything like that in the brew unit, and we put it back together and test it. So yeah, that's what we did. We also descaled the machine. We also did a couple of cleaning cycles, especially on the spouts. We disassembled the entire spouts. They were really clogged up with coffee and coffee residue in there, so we definitely needed a good cleaning inside there. So yeah, that's what we did. To start on one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. We're right here on the 35 setting of the grinder. You can see it right here, right in the middle. And let's do a shot. Now that's gonna be pre-infusion in there, and then we can see the coffee coming out, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. There we go, that's the actual color of the shot. Really good crema, looking great. Power for this machine is amazing. You can see that steady stream coming out of the one. Really great. And for the steam, we're gonna heat it up. And then once it's ready, we can use the steamer. Go, that's good enough. As you can see, the steam is working perfectly fine. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, working really great. So there you have it, Jura Espresso C60 working once again in tune-up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.